You sit down to write something to post this week. 45 minutes later, you're still staring at a blank screen. I'm talking about the text, the words, not the filming, not the editing, just figuring out what to say. I'm going to show you how to write smarter posts in under 30 minutes using ChatGPT. Free, live, on screen, right now. Here's what's actually happening when a post takes forever. Every time you sit down to write, you're starting from zero. No direction, no data, no idea what's actually working for you or what your competitors are leaving on the table. What's actually working in my posts? What are my competitors not saying? How do I turn that into a week of content? 3 questions every single time from scratch. These 3 prompts answer all of them and build your week before you type a single word. Let me show you how it works, live, right now. All 3 prompts are in the description. Start with what you already know. If you've posted something before, even 2 or 3 things, paste them in here. If you haven't posted anything yet, skip to prompt 2 and come back to this one after your first few posts. ChatGPT will analyze what's working, find the pattern that you're following without realizing it, and write new posts based on that. You don't need a big archive, 2 or 3 posts is enough. Copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT, add 2 to 3 of your own posts, and the new topic you want to cover. It's not just generating more posts, it's learning what you're already doing right and doing more of it. The second prompt goes outside your own content. You're looking at what your competitors are posting and, more importantly, what they're not. You're not copying them, you're finding the questions they're leaving unanswering and owning that space. Paste this prompt and 2 to 3 of your competitors' posts, a 1-sentence description of your business, and 1 to 2 sentences of your own writing. That gap analysis is the part most people never do. They post what everyone else is posting. The problem is, so does everyone else. Last prompt. You now have 2 sets of outputs, what's working in your own posts and what your competitors are missing. Instead of posting randomly, you build a week where every post does a different job. One teaches, one challenges an assumption, one builds trust, one speaks directly to someone who is almost ready to hire you. Use this prompt and add your best outputs from prompts 1 and 2, and 1 or 2 sentences that use your tone of voice. Five posts, each one doing a different job, and you know exactly why each one is there. That's not a content calendar, that's a strategy. Now, this is a step that makes this repeatable. Open a Google Doc and call it My Post System. Paste in all 3 prompts with a header for each. Every time you sit down to write, you open this doc, not a blank screen. You run these 3 prompts once, you get a week of posts built on your own data and what your market is missing. Not random, not generic, yours. 3 prompts, 1 Google Doc, everything's in the description. Copy them and run them before your next post. What's the post you've been putting off writing? Drop it in the comments. I'll write you a prompt for it in the replies. And if this saved your time, subscribe. New system for solo business owners every week.